Hi there, welcome to my Scan and Bank review. My name is Henry Tay. So what is Scan and Bank? Get paid real cash from your receipts and online purchases. Just by scanning receipts you already have, you can earn an average of $5 per scan. It is so easy, you only have to spend a minute or two every day to earn real cash. Continuously earn an average of $5 every time you upload the receipt. Earn as high as $395 per sale through our deep converting funnel. Tried and tested for high conversions. Proven methodology for your customers to make bank with this. Scan and Bank requires only 3 clicks. Click 1, Access. Click on any of the buy buttons on the page to get instant access to Scan Bank. And click 2, Activate. Activate our app to upload the receipt where a specific product code barcode was scanned and it works on any phone or laptop. Click 3, Earn. We are getting dozens of $5 payments on average, works all day long. So how much does Scan and Bank cost? At the front end is $19.75 and the early bird price is $17. We can get it at $7 and we try to get there is a $2 discount. And upsell number 1 is $47 and the downsell price is $37. This is a commercial license. Remove all the links in the app and the front end and put Scan and Bank on steroids. Get upgrade to our auto fast Scan and Bank server, pro video trainings. And upsell number 2, done for you. His upsell is $297 and downsell is $197. Equip yourself with our done for you templates to get a full Scan and Bank business suite, complete the setup and general fine tune. Let us do everything for you. With over 200 plus done for you Scan and Bank template suites to choose from, massively increase your earning abilities by unlocking other gigs with our full suite. No technical skills is required. And upsell number 3 is a cashback. Upsell price is $97, downsell is $67. Upgrade and exploit more ways to instantly get your money worth. And upsell number 4, income multiplier. Upsell price is $47 and downsell is $37. Effortlessly make 10 times more money with a Scan and Bank income multiplier, addition without any extra work. And embed our pre-selected $1K per sale link into your Scan and Bank video magic link. Plug and play our proven high ticket campaign to your Scan and Bank backend. Done for you email swipes. Done for you bonuses to boost up sales. Done for you high converting sales funnel. Automate, sit back and enjoy the checks. In-depth video tutorial. Upsell number 5. Traffic booster. Upsell price is $167 and downsell is $67. This upgrade allows you to write on our traffic sources and insights to get more traffic from internet. Tap into our Go traffic system that generates $28,900 in 24 hours. Drive unlimited traffic directly to your Scan and Bank pages and skyrocket your daily sales without spending a dime on ads. We place customers' pixels to the back end of our sales pages. Customers get high quality data from us for targeting or highly targeted data. Customers can retarget or create lookalike audiences based on our done for you traffic data and make tons of targeted high EPCs commissions. Plug and play data provided. Enjoy unlimited traffic for life without paying monthly. Upsell number 6, reseller license, priced at $297 and downsell is $97. Done for you software business in a box without any hassles, setup or cost. Leverage on our 7-figure team of top-notch designers, copywriters and developers. 100% access to our sales page, sales videos, graphics, email swap, etc. Keep 100% profit to yourself and make up to $864 per sale. We handle customer support for you. No technical skill required. Video tutorials included. Upsell number 7. Passive Income Masterclass, price at $67, downsell is $37. This upgrade equips you with the skills to generate passive, hands-free income through our specially selected multiple streams of income masterclass. And finally, upsell number 8. Multiple streams of income masterclass, price at $67 and downsell is $37. This upgrade equips you with the skills to create multiple streams of income through our 7 specially selected multiple streams of income. So when you get Scan and Bank through my link in the description below, you will get these bonuses that I prepared for you. Bonus number 1, which is priced at $227.95, is Assess the Fugo Breakout. And bonus number 2, priced at $46.95, is Build Your Facebook Growing Fast. And you also get bonus number 3, valued at $344.95, is Make an App in less than 25 minutes. You also get bonus number 4, valued at $267, is ClickBank Mastery Course. And you will also get the bonuses the vendor has prepared for you. And let me bring you to the vendor bonuses. And these are the vendor bonuses. Bonus number 1, which is worth $997, $1,493 a day Jumpstart Internet Marketing Kit. Jumpstart your internet marketing business with this in-depth guide and no extra cost. And bonus number 2, worth $497, $0 to $500 a day in 30 days. How super affiliates are using this insider secret to generate 6 to 7 figures online with no extra work. Bonus number 3, worth $297, is $486.23 per day set and forget blocking system. All-in-one strategy to profit from blocks without writing a single word. This is a secret. Bonus number 4, worth $997, 30 days lease explosion income. Although lease building isn't required with Scan Bank, it is a hyper profitable skill and not to be taken lightly. And bonus number 5, worth $1,297, 60 seconds funnel profits mastery. Take your business to the next level with profitable sales funnel conversions, starting from the tiny details on the landing page. So once you purchase Scan and Bank, and you will have access to the insight, and this is what you will be able to see. This is the home page, the settings, okay, and then the offers. These are the offers available to you, and there are also bonuses. Okay, but before you start using all this, you can watch the tutorial, and this is a tutorial.
Hi guys, and welcome. You're gonna set up your Scan and Bank account. First, make sure you have an Inbox Dollars account, so just go to inboxdollars.com, sign up with your...
Okay, this is a glimpse of the tutorial. Let's go over to the demo video to watch it.
Hi guys, and welcome. So today, we are gonna set up your Scan and Bank account. First, make sure you have an Inbox Dollars account, so just go to inboxdollars.com, sign up with your email, and then just type in your desired password. Now let's go to Scan and Bank. Just log in using your login details. This is the interface that will welcome you. Now let's jump into offers and see what we have. Let's try scanning a receipt for eggs. Now you will be redirected to Inbox Dollars. Make sure to read the fine print qualification for your receipt before clicking to Submit Receipt. It will then ask you to verify your account, so just verify using your number, then you can start scanning your receipts and earn. Other options in Scan and Bank includes your bonuses, so don't forget to check them out. You are also offered with various coupons on different stores like Walmart, Macy's, and Home Depot. And you can definitely upgrade your account. We have various upgrades you can check by just going to the upgrade option. How about creating a website? Just go to create a new website, type in your site name and site title and click create website. This is your current website page. You can customize it more by creating a new post. So, just fill in your post details and click Post Blog. You can also create a new page. Just fill in the necessary details and you're good to go. You can also post advertisements in your website. It can either be an image advertisement or a JavaScript code. Customize your website more by clicking onto the theme settings. Here, you can see options like choosing your logo, homepage banner, plus some more theme options. And lastly, don't forget to contact your support for any issues and tech support needed. Thank you!
Have you ever seen one of these things? It's called a barcode and it's everywhere. And in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how my friend Dave used this thing to go from being broke, evicted, and on the verge of a divorce to making an extra $3,593.11 in a month. It all started with an email in my inbox that stood out like a sore thumb. I get hundreds of emails on a daily basis, but this one was different. It was an angry email from my childhood friend Dave. Dave was frustrated with his life. He bought hundreds of useless BS products that never worked. He lost all his life savings and got himself into debt. And that wasn't even the worst part. He lost his job in the pandemic. And since there's no money coming in, he got evicted. He had to take his wife and daughter and go live with his in-laws in their guest room. Talk about a bad situation. Frustrated, he sent me an angry email accusing me of being a scammer. But I understood where he was coming from. I immediately called him and offered to help him out. He refused any kind of money I offered him. So we decided that we would figure out a way for him to make money online. But here's the challenge. Dave didn't have any experience with the internet. He never made a dime online. Not only that, he also had $0 to invest in anything. So with those two things in mind, we got to work. I'll be honest, we didn't have the best start. Everything we tried either didn't work or required a big investment up front. Until one day, we woke up with $23.45 in his account. It's not much, but hey, it's the first money he ever makes online. The second day, we made $56.63. Getting better. Third day, $125.12. First $100 plus day, we're onto something. The fourth day, we made $393.12. Finally, money that he can rely on. Fast forward 45 days, Dave generated $14,430.43 in pure profit. He went from being evicted to making almost $15,000 in a month. He was finally able to turn his life around. Wondering how he did all that? All thanks to a $23 trillion loophole that we legally exploited to get paid $5 every time a barcode was scanned. We managed to find a hidden loophole inside big retails like Walmart, Costco, Home Depot, even Amazon, that pays us $5 when we use our phone to scan a receipt where a product barcode was scanned. And if you're thinking this $5 is not enough, let me tell you one thing. Payments quickly add up to hundreds, even thousands every day. Hey, my name is Sean Josiah. I'm happy to introduce you to Scan and Bank, the world's first one-click app that can pay you $5 to scan receipts on your phone. The best part is, we don't have to lift a finger. It takes us just 9 seconds. Yes, that's how easy it is. Doesn't matter what kind of experience you have. Let me show you how easy it is. All it takes is just 3 clicks to get paid daily. Click 1, Access. Click on any of the buy buttons on this page to get instant access to Scan and Bank. Click 2, Scan. Activate our Scan app. It takes 9 seconds to activate it, and it works on any phone or laptop. Click 3, Earn. We're getting dozens of $5 payments all day long. And if you think this is exclusive to us, you're wrong, my friend. The system works for hundreds of our members. Take a look at just a few of our members' earnings. Adam P. made $3,491.23 on his first month with Scan and Bank. Sam J was able to pull $2,459.88 on his first try. Lisa P was able to make a whopping $5,593.51 with Scan & Bank. All of that is possible by using the power of Scan & Bank. Oh, and did I mention that it works on your laptop or mobile? All you need is just an internet connection and you're good to go. Are you ready to join over 300 plus profitable members? It's very easy once you have the system. We left no stone unturned. Everything you need to start getting dozens of $5 payments is included. Nothing else is required. Wondering how much it's worth? Look, this is a one-of-a-kind system. We can charge anything from $497 a month all the way up to $1,997 per month. And it will be 100% worth it. After all, you make all that money back in just a few days, and the rest will be 100% profit. But we won't charge you anything like that, and let me tell you why. When I got that email from my friend Dave, it broke my heart. He was down on his luck, lost almost everything. It was a tough position that I wouldn't wish on my worst enemy. So, my goal is to end the suffering of anyone in the same position. Dave didn't have thousands to invest in any program, and my guess is you don't have that kind of money too. So for a limited time, I'm going to give you access to the same program Dave used to change his life for the same price as a cheap dinner. Just enough to cover the server cost for me and no more. But even though Scan & Bank is impossible to saturate, my team and I can get overwhelmed. This is simply because we give personal care to each member in our family. We basically want to maintain a 100% success rate. So we have to limit the number of new members to be able to give them the best help possible. That's why we will be closing this system once we reach that point. After that, you can't access it anymore. Oh, and I almost forgot, you're protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So if for any reason you didn't like Scan & Bank, just send us a message and we will refund every single penny you paid. What are you waiting for? Click the button below and secure your copy of Scan & Bank at a low one-time fee. I'll see you inside.